Hello, grade 3 Aggies. Welcome to an English class, okay? May I request everyone to please stand? Okay, Mary, please be the grader. Amen. Okay, good morning, grade 3 Aggies. Again, good morning, grade 3 Aggies.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today? That's good to hear, okay? Please remain standing for our energizer. Okay, are you ready, kids? Shake them just like this. Shake them just like this. Shake them just like this. And roll your head. Wiggle them just like this. Wiggle them just like this. Wiggle them just like this. And roll your head. Just like this. Clap them just like this. Clap them just like this. And roll your head. Shake them just like this. Shake them, wiggle them just like this. Clap them just like this. And roll your head. Okay, did you enjoy kids? Alright, okay. Okay, so but before that, I will check your attendance row by row. Okay, row 1, row 2, row 3. Okay, very good. No one is absent today. Okay, what are the things that we should do when we are inside the classroom? Yes, Berlin. Okay, what else? Yes, Mary. Yes, Leia. Okay, very good. Can I expect it on? Okay, very good. So now, yesterday I gave you an assignment, am I right? Okay, plaster in front, not standing or making any noise. Okay, so all the papers are here. Alright, so now I have prepared the game. So do you like to play a game, class? Yes, so now we will game a unscramble. Okay, but before that, please read our direction first. Unscramble the letters in each item to form the words related to our topic and use the hints to help you. Okay, who wants to answer number 1? The name of the delicious fruit. Yes, Aline? Okay, let's see if Alice's answer is correct. Very good. It is a mango. Okay, please give a 3 claps for Ali. Okay. How about number 2? Where the fruit grows up. Okay, yes, Mia. Okay, let's see if this for answer is correct. Very good. It is 3. Okay, please give a 5 claps for Leah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how about number 3? The color of the heart and the ripe fruit. Okay, let's see if Rhea's answer is correct. Very good, it is a gold. How about number 4? You plant the seeds in the ground, so grow a new plant. Okay, let's see if Anna's answer is correct. Very good, it is seed. Okay, please give me the barangay clap for Rhea. Okay, she wasn't rich or famous, but because she had a kindness heart for man. Every day, Annie would help her neighbors. She would carry heavy jars of water to all their needs and share her small plate of rice with hungry animals, and always cook the world's sweetest kind. People often say, Annie has a heart of gold. One stormy night, an old bird beggar knocked on the door. He was shivering from the cold and very hungry, even though Annie only had a small piece of bread left for herself. She gave it to the old man, and she even gave her only blanket to keep him warm. The old man smiled and said, "Your kindness is special to me. A heart like yours should never be forgotten." Years passed, and Annie grew old and eventually passed away. The villagers were very sad, and they buried in her favorite room, where she used to sit and help others. One morning, the villagers noticed that she was slumped over her grave. It grew into a tall, beautiful tree with big green leaves. Soon, the tree bore fruits that were shaped exactly like a human heart. When the fruits turned yellow, they became as bright as gold. When the villagers tasted the fruit, it was incredibly sweet, just like the leaves' personality. They called the fruit manga or mango to remember the girl with the golden heart. To this day, the mango reminds us that being kind and generous makes life sweet and for everyone. So now I have three prepared questions for you guys based on the story that we will read. Okay, who was the kind girl in the village?
Teacher.
Yes, Aline?
Annie po, teacher.
Very good. The kind girl in the village is Annie. What did she do when the old beggar asked for help? Yes, Amado. Very good. She gave her last piece of bread and her only blanket to keep him warm during the stormy night. Okay. What did the villagers find Marian in the garden after she passed away? Yes, Christine. Very good. They found a mysterious golden fruit like a shape like a human heart. So this time, we will identify identify the key elements of the story. Okay. To the character. Character is Elaine, a selfless and kind girl who represents the ideal of generosity. Okay, where is the city? A small, humble village with some new favorites garden. Okay, to the conflict, a stormy night where Elaine must choose to help a stranger even though she is very little for herself. Okay, so to the legend part of Annie's physical heart and her sweet words are transformed into a fruit after she passes away. Okay, class, remember our three symbolism or the represent of the story. Okay, a heart shape represents Annie's love and kindness. For the golden color, it represents heart of gold. Okay, for the sweet taste, it represents her sweet words and personality. Okay, class. So what is symbolism of golden color? Yes, Alit?
Represent the heart of gold, teacher.
Very good. Please give a hand for Alit. Okay, how about the sweet taste? Yes, Ado? Very good. It represents the sweet words and personality. Okay, class. Remember always a legend is a story about where roots come from. It is a story about how we should live, just like Annie's. We learn that the heart of gold isn't made of metal, it is made of kindness, sweet words, and sharing when we are kind. We leave a sweet taste in the hearts of everyone we met. Okay, understand class?
Yes,
Since you already understand our story today, we will have an activity. It is called My Heart or Bold. But before that, please read our direction first. Inside the big heart rainbow, write one kind thing they can do for your classmate this week or today. For example, I will share my snacks and I will help my teacher. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to finish your activity. But before that, please read our rubrics. Criteria, kindness idea. The kind act is specific and helpful. I will help to us. The kind act is general, and the kind act is missing for hard to understand. For the creativity and effort, the heart mango is beautifully colored and shows a lot of effort, and the heart mango is colored and net. The drawing is incomplete and rush, and neatness is the writing is very clear and easy for the teachers to read, and the two silver star group is the writing is mostly clear and the writing is a difficult to read. And for the connection to story, uses sweet words or mentions of heart of God in the descriptions. Mention kindness but doesn't quite connect to the story. Does not connect the drawing to the lesson. Okay, you will now start your activity class. Okay, are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, if you are done, please pass your activity here in front without standing or making any noise. Okay, all your activities here?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So now, since you already understand our story and activity for today, let's have an quiz. So, please bring up your cell phone and come here in front and scan the code of Kahoot. Okay. So now, are you ready, kids?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Since you already understand our story and activity, let's have an quiz. Okay, please bring up your cell phone and come here in front and scan the code in Kahoot app. Okay. Are you done, kids?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, we will start a quiz. Okay, but before that, please read our direction first. Read each sentence carefully and choose the correct answer. Okay, are you ready, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so now, what was the name of the kind girl in the village? A. Rosa, B. Aline, C. Maria, and D. Lori. Okay, are you done, kids?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So the answer is Aline. Okay, what did people say Aline had because she was so helpful? A. Bag of silver, A. Crown of flowers, C. A heart of stone, and D. A heart of gold. Okay. So now, who would not mananindor during a stormy night? A rich prince, a magical fairy, a lost child, or an old was her last piece? Bread, money, jewelry, or mangoes? Right. Okay. Let's proceed to number 5. Where did the mysterious tree go after Annie passed away? In the middle of the river, over her grave in the garden, or inside her old house and on a high mountain? Okay, are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So number 6, what shape is the mango fruit according to the legend? Star shape, square, heart shape, or triangle? Okay. Heart shape. Number 7, what color does the mango turn when it's sweet and ripe? Purple, blue, yellow, or black? Very good. It is yellow. So now, let's proceed to number 8. Why did the villagers cat call the fruit mango? Okay, so remember. So number 9, which word best describes Annie's personality? Lazy, generous, mean, or selfish? Very good. It is generous. What is the main lesson or moral lesson